everybody, my name is Jules Martinez. I'm a guitar instructor for VQT Music Academy, and today I'm actually going to show you how to practice one of your favorite rock riff, Back in Black by ACDC, but practicing it the right way. So if you want to achieve a good sound and a good timing, what's very important is to work on your piece very slow, meaning take parts by parts of the song very slow and with the exact right method. Let me show you how I do it. To achieve this sound, what you need to do first is work on your timing and work on the opening of that riff. What is the opening of the riff? It's very easy. It's 3 guitar chords we're having over here. We have a very easy power chord of E. Okay. The next one, probably one of the basic chords, like basic chords that you have to learn as a beginner, the D. Okay. You can check any music books, you will definitely see the D. And then the third chord is the A. Okay, so you have your 3 chords, but now you need to work on your timing. How do? You do this thing, take a look. You grab your phone and you download any metronome application you can have. What is a metronome? A metronome is a tool to help you work on your timing and your sense of tempo. It's something that's pretty important, mostly when you're a beginner, because when you're a beginner, usually you might struggle on your timing, correct? So what you do is you grab one of these. There are several apps of metronome. Most of them are really great. One I like using is called Soundbrenner. They're really amazing. They're free, and you can practice with them anytime when you're home. Take a look. So now here's the metronome. This has to be your best friend. You can choose the speed by just turning the wheel that you have over here, and you can start at 60 and then go even faster. What I recommend for most of my students is starting at 70 BPM, okay? So you put the metronome at 70 BPM, and now you work on your timing with your chords. It's very important to work on your timing also for the melodic part. So we reviewed the chords, but you probably heard that there's a little like fun guitar lick coming in after. How do you play this lick? It's very easy. It's fret 3 on the open E, then open string of E, fret 3 of the B string and open string of B, and then fret 2 on the G string with the open G. Let me do it again. When you got this, you can already try to put all together and glue the first part and the second part, but still with this guy. Very important. Da, da da da, da da da. 2, 3, ba-na-na-na-na. Let me do it for you. 2, 3, and. 2, 3. And you probably noticed there's also a second part to the riff. That little like riff that we're having between fret 2 and fret 5. Let me show it to you real quick. What do we have over there? It's very easy, and it's going to ask you to do another thing that's highly required from guitar players when you're a beginner, is stretching. What you do is this. You're going to be playing between fret 2 on your A string, fret 4 on your E string. You do again fret 2 on the A, but then you do fret 5. Then you do fret 2 again, and you do fret 6 on your low E. And then finally you do fret 2 on your A and fret 7 on your low E string. As you've probably seen, I'm not using one finger, I'm using 2 different fingers. Even 3. I use my index, my ring finger, and my little finger. This is another aspect of guitar playing. Any piece of music you're practicing as a beginner, make sure that you use as many fingers as you can on your left hand. It's very important. Because most of you guys, I know, when you start playing a riff, you're like this. One finger guy, right? We all know him. No, you can't do that. You need to use several fingers, okay? So make yourself a favor, do yourself a favor, and please practice with several fingers. And this is how you can achieve this. And that's it.